replacing yourself. This is another video from a series, What I Learned from Running My Own Sales Agency for 7 years. And they want to talk about replacing myself. I did a video before, how to successfully delegate, where you tell your employees not how you make decisions, but also why you're doing them. Okay, so you can watch that video here. But today I want to talk about a very specific example, how one day I went to Singapore and I left my office alone for a week, and my sales office did the best week ever when I was away. Okay, so how was I able to successfully replace myself? Now, in the beginning, I wasn't that person who was keen on delegating, because I had this kind of like within me, no, I can actually do things myself better. I was really afraid to let some salespeople to manage my team, or, to do trainings. So it took me a while to get over this thing, no, but I can do it better. Okay. But I really wanted to go to Singapore to see other sales offices, how they're performing. And obviously, I can't just close my office for a week. Okay. So I needed to kind of like really get over myself. Okay. And trust my sales team. And of course, I started training them like a bit in advance. It wasn't like, okay, in 2 weeks, I'm going to Singapore. Now you're going to have to do everything. So no, it actually took like a good few weeks, probably months to prepare it. So I allowed my sales team to start doing sales trainings, to kind of like run morning meetings, okay, to educate new guys. And I allowed my sales team to deal when the sales are low, because if you ever ran a sales agency, one of the most important things, you need to teach your sales team what to do when sales are low and when sales are high. In other words, how to bounce back when your sales are low. Okay. So it took me a while, first of all, get over myself, and then like to train my sales team. But once I went away, I also promised my sales team a percentage of sales. Maybe that was one of the most influencing factors. Okay, why my office did so many sales when I was away. And that's a hint for you. If you do want more free time and you're afraid to replace yourself and you want to go more on holidays, why don't you give an incentive to your sales team? When you go away, I'm going to give you a percentage. That will be extra money for them. They will be super motivated to run it, because usually if you don't do it, what happens when the boss goes away, the whole office kind of like relaxes, isn't it? Okay. And it doesn't have to be a sales team. Even if you are a solicitor, you can actually promise, like all the new clients you're going to bring in when I'm away, those 2 weeks, I'm going to give you a percentage. How motivated is your office now to bring more clients in? And you never know how creative they can become, right? Okay, just by trying to prove themselves. So, like I mentioned in the beginning, don't be afraid to delegate, especially if you want to scale your business and if you want to open another location. You will need somebody to run it. You won't be able to do it yourself. Okay. So don't wait for an opportunity to come to you when there is a second building there, or when you're financially able to actually get another location. Start training your office already. Start replacing yourself now before the opportunity shows up for you to open the second location. Because in that way, you won't be as busy. You won't be, oh, what do I do next? Okay. Implement systems, and you can watch another video why and how you should implement systems in your business. Okay, so get ready. Okay, so expansion in business doesn't happen overnight. You start thinking about it a few months in advance, and most importantly, you start preparing your team for it. Otherwise, you're gonna be so busy. And I know as business owners, we love being busy, okay? And somehow we feel very significant when we do that. But how about if you are more effective and you open that second or third location with ease, right? Okay, well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I'll see you again. Bye.